Hey, welcome back to my channel. So thank you for sticking around if you have been around, and if you are new, welcome. So it's been a minute since I've posted a video and I don't have any excuse other than I'm busy, but I wanted to share kind of an unboxing of some new stuff I ordered from GoPro. I purchased the GoPro Creator Kit. In any case, what comes in the Creator Kit? First thing we have here is the media mod, which is a microphone. The next thing we have here is a light. And then we have this really cool tripod. So this tripod is supposed to charge my GoPro. And as of right now, I don't actually have an extra battery for this thing, and it doesn't last that long. So apparently in the reviews, it says this will prolong the battery life about 4 hours. I think that's a pipe dream, but we'll see. And then the tripod also can be used as a selfie stick, and it's Bluetooth. So let's see what's inside. How do you get into this? I don't get it. It's really hard. I don't. Whew. Okay. Boxes are finally open. I do want to share. I broke a nail. And it hurts, but I'm okay. So this is the microphone enhancing feature. And then here are the lights. I will say is there's a button. Aha! So that's out. Apparently this is supposed to swivel. I haven't read the instructions yet, but I kind of am all for the experiential adventure here. So I'm opening up the little legs on the selfie stick. Oh, well, tripod, my bad. All right, so I guess that's it since it's tri meaning three, right? So that's what we got there. In my head, I feel like I thought it was longer than this, but I mean, this is how it's supposed to be used. I don't know what this is for over here. Again, haven't read the instructions yet, and that'll be something that I will definitely do. But I did think that this was longer than it is, but the reviews online said it wasn't very stable, and it seems pretty stable because it's kind of heavy. So, yeah. Oh, wait. There's a little sign here that says when I turn this, it says turn this, and then something's going to pop out of here. I'm always afraid to break these things. Right? It says to turn it and turn this top piece. Right? See, maybe this is why I don't know how to use my GoPro, because I'm not good at technology. Okay, I'm wondering how long I'm going to sit here and try to figure it out. I wonder if it needs to be loosened. You know what? Maybe I need to read the booklet. Okay, stop that. Okay, so I had to take a break last night, and I was able to play around with my GoPro accessories. So like I was able to explain to you, I did figure out that the swivel, it does work once the camera's on here, okay? I was able to successfully pair my Volta to my GoPro and figure out, believe it or not, how to plug it in. And what's kind of cool is there's these little external ports with like a rubberized tab on top to go ahead and do that. The light, super easy. It just slides on and off. And now that I said that, I won't be able to slide it off, but like it slides off really easily. And then it slides back on. Here's what's really cool about the light. Check it out. Okay. Right? Different settings. And by the way, I'm not even looking at it. Super bright, like super bright. Then there's a warm setting. This is the warm setting. And then look at the different levels of brightness. And this is intense. I'm not quite sure what the strobe is for. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off, but it is really strong. So super psyched about that. Okay, let me show you how I got a handle on this thing. So this, that scared me. I was like, what is that noise? This gets plugged in here, and I couldn't figure out which way I wanted to turn it. Like if I wanted to turn it out or turn it in, I don't think it really matters. So I plug it in, and then you hit Oh, so it's actually lit up now. And the reason why it's lit up is because it's power. So there's power in this Volta here. There's power here. So I click the power button right here that says mode. And you can see by the blue button that the camera's turning on and the camera is on. You should see the front facing camera. Now, take a look at it. You can see here the little green thing on the bottom, and that's the mic. So it's picking up the mic, which is pretty cool. And you can see like where I am in the talking. Oh, so it's super neat. And then also what's super cool is that I can control the mode of the camera through the stick, which is pretty neat. That's really like that. And then you just have, like I mentioned to you before, this accessory. So I was trying to figure out what this was exactly for. And then I was actually looking at the box. And on the box, you see how it's got like a person with a chest strap or a shoulder strap. And it's got this right here into like a shoulder strap on a backpack. So I'm guessing that what I could do if I ever attempted or wanted to hike is like take this and put it here. But why wouldn't I just wear a chest strap or just mount it here, unless it's like a quick release or something and I can just like take it off and use it to film? I don't really know, but that's what that's for. So then you press that button and it goes down. And then I'm going to use this trusty mode button to turn my camera off. And we are now powering off, and we are off. So I have yet to use this. I'm really psyched though. And it looks like my camera's still on, but is it still on? No, it's because the power is still plugged into the Volta. So now that you'll notice the red button's gone, I have no reason for it to charge right now. So I haven't used this yet. I will say I am excited about this because I needed something for my GoPro that was easy to use. This seems simple. It's already all integrated, which I'm really surprised at because I've got to say, I don't find the GoPro products to be very user-friendly. For example, I said this when I opened this up in my unboxing yesterday, is that I can't get my GoPro, and this is the Hero 10, I can't get it to consistently sync to my phone. Like, I'm going to say 99.9% of the time, it's a really cumbersome process for me to get what I record on here onto my phone. It can never pair the Wi-Fi. And like I've mentioned, I have done everything. It can't ever join the Wi-Fi network. And then even if I plug this camera in, it's extremely frustrating. In any case, I'm hoping that there's some sort of workaround, or maybe there's something that I'm missing that will simplify the process so I can get my content from here to my phone or to my computer. You're saying, but can't you just take out the SD card or whatever that stupid card's called and plug it into your computer? Well, you know, I could. However, for a reason unbeknownst to me, my Mac says it's out of memory, not enough memory to download what's on here. So the many struggles of technology. Stay tuned because I'm going to start using my creator's kit and generate some crazy great content for you. Love you, mean it. I know that it's been a really long time since I've created a YouTube video. You're making a face.